Dreamers are the ones who can face the reality. Transformation takes time. The dream of 1857 was fulfilled in 1947. First of all, I want to pay my heartiest tribute to CDS General Bipin Rawat. We lost him in a tragic crash in the afternoon of December 8, 2021. Today, I am going to speak few words on our Republic Day. Today is 26 January, our Republic Day, a day filled with affection, patriotism and a great respect towards our motherland India. This feeling awakens in every Indian's mind. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy Republic Day. Republic. What is Republic? What is the meaning of Republic? The word Republic is derived from a Latin word res publica, which means something that connects people. In this system, the country belongs to the people and government belongs to the people. Democracy is the greatest means of restoring this kind of system. And Lincoln sir has explained this system in very simple terms that democracy is for the people, by the people and of the people. And I am very proud to share with you all that India is the world's largest democracy. But can by only saying can a country become republic? Of course not. For that it needs a constitution, which was made by many elected representatives. Constitution of India was passed by Constitution Assembly on 26 November 1949. But on that day, our constitution was just passed, not implemented. And on a historic day, 26 January 1950, our constitution came into effect. India, a country blessed with so many great personalities, such as APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Indira Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Swami Vivekanand and many more. We are blessed with them. Their qualities are under us. And Swami Vivekanand has shown an excellent path. But it's so strange to see in which path today's youth is working or heading on. Once, Dr. Kalam was asked, what is the major strength and weakness of India? Do you know what he answered? He answered that 261 million youth people are the strength of India and weakness, vision. Yes, because a nation dies without vision. And I think that vision is the quality lacking in today's younger generation. Today, India has a very prestigious position on the world map. And now it's our responsibility to take our country to more heights. Now the question arises, how can we do that? Yes, right? We can do it by working on our qualities. When we will start working on our qualities, that day our country will see a change. I salute all those freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for the freedom of our nation. And I also salute those fighters who are still working on this border to continue our freedom. Now let's remember the golden royal heritage of our nation. And now I would like to end my words with a quote. जनतंत्र का मान है गणतंत्र, जनतंत्र का मान है गणतंत्र, हमारे देश की शान है गणतंत्र। हजारों और करोड़ों भारतीयों के लिए जो लिखा गया, उन वीर सपूतों का परिणाम है गणतंत्र, उन वीर सपूतों का परिणाम है गणतंत्र। थैंक यू।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य
मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया, मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया, तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो। तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो।
मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवाड़ो जी रे।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, शुभ दिन आयो बनने वायो, नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो, शुभ दिन आयो बनने वायो,
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए। जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सौ चांद बुझे। हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।